Hi, I'm Lewis. I work at Black Rock Bar and Grill here in Windermere. Today we're gonna go over one of our signature drinks, which is the Hennessy Dream, one of our fan favorites. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off with a cup of ice. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Hennessy and then 1/2 ounce of our Palmer liqueur. Also gets a touch of lemon juice. Touch of simple syrup for a little bit of sweetness. A little bit of cranberry. Go ahead and give it a good shake. And a nice fine strain. And there you go, we have our Hennessy Dream right here.